Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this viral math question many fail to solve. If you're senior, then must solve this question to train your brain. And comment your answer, feature in our shortout list. You will be permanently written here. Okay. So what we have, 6 divided by 15 divided by 15 divided by 6. So this is nothing but a numerator by denominator concept. So we will solve with the help of pem dash. Here two part here. First one is called numerator. We will denote as n times r and denominator as this. First we will solve for this numerator part, then we will solve for denominator. So what we have here, when we solve for numerator, what we have, 6 divided by 15. Okay, we can write like this. To simplify this, 3 times 2 and 3 times 15, 5. So we will get 2 by 5 as numerator. Okay. To denominator, what we have, 15 divided by 6. Again, same. Divided by 3, we will get 5 by 2 as denominator. So we can write, this can be written as 2 by 5 divided by 5 by 2. Okay, so we will apply here the KCF rule here. So what we can do, we will keep this 2 by 5 as it is. We will change the division into multiplication, and 5 by 2 will be flipped and become 2 by 5. And this is simply but nothing, 2 into 2 by 5 times 5, which equals to 2 times 2, that is 4, and 5 times 5, which is 4 by 5. So your right answer is 4 by 5. And if you are senior, then must check out our description list for best product for you. They are most selling products and most useful products. Okay, and must check out these videos and subscribe channel for more tutorial tasks. Thank you for watching.